Hello everyone. Hello and good afternoon everyone. My name is Gaurav and I welcome every student to the official YouTube channel of Study MBA India. So today in this session what we are going to discuss, it is the main topic. As you all know, this is IPMAT Indore examination analysis. Okay, everybody, I just want to tell you everyone that IPMAT, as you all know, sometimes it is called IPMAT. Okay, so IPMAT Indore examination has been finished and we have already gone through the pattern of the examination. But now we are going to analyze the paper, how the questions were asked, and what was the level of difficulty. So join everyone. In this session, we are going to clear your every doubts. And in the next session, in the next video, we are going to announce what will be the expected cutoff for the IPMAT Indore and Rohtak examination. Okay, so I think you all are set to go. Let's start. Okay, the first of all, what is IPMAT? For those students who have not gone through this topic, IPMAT, I just want to tell you, IPMAT or IPMAT 2021 is conducted by IIM Indore and IIM Rohtak. Okay, separately on 2 days for admissions to the 5-year integrated program in management. This IPM means integrated program in management. The final selection for admission is based on the scores of IPMAT and interview. Okay, means they are going to have your admissions confirmed. Okay, on the basis of the score you have already appeared the examination IPMAT and the interviews. Okay, interviews will be conducted after the IPMAT results. Okay, so IPMAT exam analysis 2021 key highlights. Okay, means what were the highlights for the examination? By going through the analysis, you will understand the difficulty level of the examination. Okay, means what we are going to discuss in this session. This is the first point, that we are going to discuss the difficulty level of the examination. Second one, the total number of questions for IIM Indore is 60, while something different from Rohtak. Like IIM Rohtak, it is 120 questions. Okay, got it everyone? The total number of questions asked in IIM Indore is 60, while for IIM Rohtak it is 120 questions. So don't get confused everyone. Just try to be focused and be clear. The exam was conducted in 34 cities at multiple centers. Okay, it was online, obviously it was online, and it will be conducted today is 17th, and the IPMAT Rohtak is being conducted, and we are going to have the analysis of the examination in the next part. Okay, so what are the sections and the number of questions being asked from the examination? You can say that we are going to discuss certain sections and the number of questions being asked from the sections. Okay, and what kind of difficulty level will be there. Okay, it is totally based on the examination held yesterday, and we are going to have the analysis of IIM, or we can say IIM Rohtak IPMAT examination, okay, in the next video. Next, so what is, okay, so first section is quantitative ability, means quant section, short answer. Okay, SA means short answer. The number of questions were 10. 10 number of questions were asked from quantitative ability, short answer, and the next one is quantitative ability MCQ, multiple choice questions. Okay, 20 questions were asked from MCQ and 10 questions from short answer in quant section. Okay, so number of good attempts. What is the number of good attempts? If we talk about the good attempts, it will be like 6 to 7 were good. Okay, good attempts, and because the difficulty level of the examination or the paper was moderate to difficult. Okay, so we can say that somehow the paper was similar to 2020 IPMAT Indore 2020. There was not like much difference between these two papers, these 2 years, but we can say that the questions were papers were similar to 2020. Okay, here out of 20, 14 to 60 questions, if you attempt 14 to 60 questions, you will be considered in safe zone. Okay, because the level of the difficulty was moderate. Okay, it was not like difficult but moderate. Okay, that's why I told you that 14 to 16 questions are very good attempt. You can be in the safe zone. Okay, next, verbal ability. We can say verbal ability means we are going to have MCQ questions, obviously. We don't have any short answer questions in verbal ability, but 30 questions in MCQ means multiple choice questions. Out of 24 and 26 questions, like out of 30, you have to attempt, if you have attempt 24 to 26 questions, then you are in the safe zone, as the difficulty level was easy to moderate, or we can say it was like slight surprising that the paper was actually easy to solve, not like very easy, but it was like lengthy. It was, the paper was lengthy. If you have reading ability, if you have enhanced your reading ability, then the questions were easy. Okay, and it was like scoring paper, we can say. Verbal ability section of IPMAT Indore 2021 was scoring. So just try to focus, everyone. 60 number of questions were there. Total number of questions were 60. Out of 60, you have to attempt at least 42 so that you will be in the safe zone, as the level was moderate. Okay. Okay, let's move further. Let's discuss topic wise questions. Okay, means questions asked in quant section, like short answer first. Okay, short answer first. So the questions were from average, okay, series, you all know, basic algebra, divisibility and remainder rules. Okay, quadrilateral geometry, time, speed, distance, rectangle means geometry part. Rectangle is a part of geometry, percentage, and actually each questions from these sections. Okay, each questions from these questions sections, and two questions were asked from relation and functions. Okay, so everybody just get ready for the examination. We are going to have actually another analysis video on Rohtak. I am Rohtak, and it is in the process, and we are going to have it. And I'm just telling you, try to remember these things. Okay, because the topics will be similar to Rohtak, means IPMAT Rohtak. So be careful about the questions and patterns, how the questions are being asked. And here, relations and functions, two questions were from relational and functions. Okay, so 10 questions from short answer type questions. Okay, and the rest 20 questions from MCQ. So multiple choice questions. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to convey. Okay. Time and speed, two questions were there. Geometry, two questions. Percentage, one single question were there. Okay. Logarithm, two questions were asked. DI, three questions. AP, two questions. Time and work, three questions. Okay. Permutation combination. This is one of the favorite parts of the students. One question was there. Okay, relations and functions, again two questions. Okay, these topics are very much similar to the short answer, and that's why we say which topic is very important for the examination. Okay, trigonometry. Okay, spelling error is here, so we can say two questions were there. Okay, uh, or we can say this way. So 20 questions were asked in MCQ from quant section, and I just told you which part was very important. As you all know that the portions or the chapters are common in these two sections, like short answer and MCQ. We can say that these chapters, which are common actually, those are very much important for your examination. And if you are preparing for IPMAT 2022, so these analysis are very much important. Okay, these analysis videos play a vital role in your examination, your preparation. Okay, so be careful about the examination if you are preparing for IPMAT 2022. Okay, so be careful about this whole analysis. Okay, the next one, questions asked in verbal ability. Okay, and these are MCQs. Okay, no need to write. You already understood this. These are the MCQ questions. One passage was asked. Okay, so we can say 5 to 6 questions were asked from a passage in RC sections. Okay, and if we talk about fill the blanks, the second portion, it will be like 4 questions were asked. Okay, just a moment. I think something is wrong with the network. Actually, it's raining here, and that's why network issues. Yeah, I think everything is fine. Yeah. So parajumble, 3 questions were asked from parajumbles. Okay, as you all know, parajumbles means sentence rearrangement. You have to arrange the sentences given in the different multiple options. Yeah, A, B, C, D like. Sentence correction, 4 questions were from sentence correction. 1 questions, 1 word like in from synonym it was being asked. And if we talk about idioms and phrases and sentence completion, 2 to 3 questions were asked from idioms and phrases and sentence completion separately. So just try to focus. What is this? Okay, here synonym 1 question, idioms and phrases 2 to 3 questions, and vocabulary 3 questions. Okay, so we can say 3, 6, and 1, 7. 7 questions were asked from vocabulary itself. So out of 30, if you are getting 7 questions from vocabulary, then it is very important for you guys. Just try to focus on whatever is being asked. Try to observe the analysis. What to be observed in the analysis? Okay, like how much time you have to spend on vocabulary according to the preference given by the examiner. Okay, just try to focus sentence completion, sentence correction. These are the topics from mainly from grammar and the language part. Okay, mainly from grammar actually. So if you are thinking that grammar is not going to help you out, then it is not. It is like it is wrong. Okay, don't underestimate grammar because it has its part. Okay, like 4 questions from sentence correction and 3 questions from sentence completion. Means 7 questions are there. So you have to be very much sure about your answers in or the pattern of your preparation in VA section. Okay. Next, sentence rearrangement, 3 questions, and short answer, 3 questions. Total 30 questions were there in verbal ability. That was MCQ, means multiple choice questions. And once again, I would like to tell you everyone, those students who are watching our videos, I just want to tell you, if you want to prepare in a best manner, okay, you can comprehend the analysis, okay, analysis of the examination, because in IPMAT 2022 it will be very much important for you guys to know how pattern changes. Okay, like as I told you earlier in the starting of the video, that the level of the examination of the paper of the examination was similar, quite similar to 2020. Okay, the last year. So we can say that the paper was quite not like different but similar. So next year what happens, if no one knows. Okay, but according to the experience, if we talk about the experience, it is not going to change. Okay, so just try to focus on the analysis of the papers or the number of questions being asked from which topic, so that you will be able to find out the weightage of the that topic in the examination. So just prepare similarly. I hope you all got the points what I was trying to convey. And if you want to prepare for IPMAT 2022, okay, IPMAT 2022, then you can contact at the number I've given you, like 7677 884055. So this is the number of Study MBA India. We have our branches in multiple uh, places like in Patna. This is institute based on actually a boarding road. This is institute. This institute has 2 branches, like in boarding road and Kankabag. If you want to join offline classes or online classes from this institute, or if you want us to teach you, to train you, to prepare you, then you can contact to this number 7677884055. Okay, or you can change this to 005. Okay, these two numbers are there, you can easily contact. Okay, and if you have any problem, comment in the comment section, everyone. I'll look into it. Okay, thank you, all the best.